Hey guys, what's up? So I'm here with a new video. What I'm gonna do is I have a new cam which is ESP32CAM. This one. You might have already seen this camera a lot. It's very cheap, it's like 10 bucks. And today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using this camera to identify the person, or let's say identify the object. Let's get started. So here is the normal ESP32 code. Make sure that your ESP32 and your laptop are both connected with the same network. Using the example of ESP32 camera web server, and yeah, for the camera thinker, this uncomment this one, and just use the upload button. It will take some time to upload, but the whole thing should get uploaded within a few minutes. Okay, so it's uploading now, and we can see till the time it reaches 100%. Currently it's just going to copy and paste the code in my driver, and it's 5S completed, and we have server to code. Let me quickly check the server. So well, it's running. As you can see, I'll start to stream, and there are two of me now on your screen. I will stop stream, and this is my Python code which is relevant to the previous one. So make sure that you're using CV2 and NumPy simple libraries, and you're using the same URL which on which you're hosting your Arduino, and then just run this code. Yeah, and here you should have ready as a person. There's a dining table. Let's see if it's able to check my phone. Person, phone, laptop. Okay, so I think it's working. What about my plants? Cup and everything. So pretty cool, right? Right, so these are the codes that you can, I'm gonna probably drop down a GitHub URL for them, and you can use it. You will need both of them, Arduino as well as Python, to run this type of thing. And yeah, I'll be making some more videos on 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 the IoT devices, as well as on image recognitions, object detections, and many other machine learning and AI capabilities. So looking forward to see you again. See you.